Hey everyone, today I'm going to have us go over how to sight read and sight sing music notes by being able to identify their letter names by looking at where they are on the staff and then being able to figure out what the solfege is and then singing it. So let's see if we could try it. So let's start with the first note. Hopefully this will be easy and hopefully this will be a review since we've all had mind music last year. So let's see if we could try it. So let's start here. The letter C, middle C, right? Here we go. Oh, terrible. Okay, now the next one, we want to make sure, again, as we go through, hopefully this will be easy for us to do. So let's try it. So D. Now going up a step, right? So we have the letter E, because we're on the first line of the staff. All right, now take a look. Is it the same? Does it move up or down? If you said stay the same, you're totally right. So let's try it. Letter E. All right, now we go up a step to the first space, which is the letter F. And then we have the same letter, letter F. Then we go up a space here to a line. So we went up a step to a line to G. Then we go down a step to F. Go back up a step. Up one more step to the second space, which is an A. Same line, same space. Whenever it's the same line or same space, you want to make sure that it's a repeat note. So same deal, this is a repeat note. Letter A, we go up a step to B, up a step to C, it stays the same in the same space. We went down to a line, which is B, and then we went up one more to the third space, which is C. Okay, now let's keep that going here. So let's take a look here. Same deal. So again, middle C, right? I'll move out the way so you can see. All right, then we have another middle C. We go up a step, up one more step. Same line, right, friends? So we want to make sure that that stays the same. E, down a step, up a step, first space, which is F. Then we have G, same line, G. You move up to the second space, which is A. Then we have another A. Then we go down the step to G, down a step to F, down a step to E, down a step to D, and then we end on C. Now, you're probably thinking, Mrs. Schaefer, how are we going to figure this out? How are we going to get the solfege notes and all that fun stuff, right? So I typically always start ourselves off with do. I try to always start off there. So we start with middle C, which is do. So I'm going to have us try that together. So as we learn each of these notes, we go starting off with middle C. So let's see if we can do this. So I'm going to give us the first note, and then after that, I'm going to keep going, and then I'm going to have us speak it, and then we'll sing it. So let's see if we can do it. Ready? So I'm going to come back over to this side. You might see me pop out for a second. So here we go. We have do. Then we go up a step, right? So that's re. Up a step, right? So that's mi. Then we go up to fa, up to fa, and then we move up a step to sol, back down a step to fa. Then we go back up a step, sol, up, la, la, ti. Then we end on do up top. Here we go. Then we go down a step, right? So T. And then we end on do for the first row. okay? Hopefully this makes sense to everybody. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. We'll get the hang of it. It's going to take a little bit of practice, but I think we'll get the hang of it. Now let's keep it going. So here we go. If you want to kind of say it in your mind with me as we go through, that'd be awesome. If you want to try to get ahead of me and see if you could beat me. All right, here we go. So we have do, do, up a step to re, up a step to mi. Same note, right, friends? So we have E, same thing, which is mi. Hey, E and mi. All right, now, next one, we go down a step, right, to D, which would be re, up to mi, up to fa, up to sol. Same note, up a note, la, la. We go back down to sol, because G, right? Down a step, fa, down a step, mi, down a step, re, and then we end on do. Okay, so now that we've identified each of these notes, hopefully this makes a little bit of sense and it's not too confusing to you. If it is confusing to you, please email me and I will try to make it make a little more sense. All right, now, really quickly, I wanted to try to practice this. So I want to just speak it first so we kind of have an idea what we're saying, and you can see as we move the notes, you can kind of correlate it and see how we move up a step or down a step with solfege. So if we could try that together, let's see if we could do it. So I'm going to do the hand signs too. Okay, so we're going to have our starting note be do. So let's see if we can do it. I'll do the hand signs and sing along. Ready? 1, 2, and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, do. Hopefully you did well. All right, now let's do the second row, starting on that same note. Ready? 1, 2, and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So even I made a mistake on the hand sign, but it happens. All right, now let's see if we can do the whole thing without stopping. Doing the hand signs. If you make a mistake, just keep going because I even did the same thing. So let's try it. Ready? So starting on that same note. Ready? 1, 2, and do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So again, if you made any mistakes, don't worry about it. Even I make mistakes too. I made another one, same spot, pretty sure. So again, don't worry about it. The whole goal is to just try to kind of get the hang of it and see how we do. And then we'll just go from there. So do the best you can, and that's all I can ask, right? So thanks for participating, and I will see you next time.